Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your name on Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto three line. After that, click onto setting icon. Click on see more in account center. Select the profile. And now shown here to name option, simply click on, and here you can easily change your name. Then click on to review change, then successfully change your name on Facebook. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.